All right, so just as a recap, we talked about this in fifth period, sixth period. We ran short on time. So when I'm looking for the formula for my confidence interval for means, I could either have a Z star version or T star version, dependent upon, just like in one sample test, whether I have sigma or S sub x. So the first one would be x bar 1 minus x bar 2 plus or minus z star times the standard deviation. Remember, generically this is on your formula sheet. So standard deviation for the sample just kidding, this should not be from the sample. Okay. Or I could have x bar 1 minus x bar 2 and use T star, but if I use T star, then I'll be using my S sub x's. And keep in mind, the reason that I'm squaring these and adding them together is because, remember, I'm actually working with variance. These are your rules for means and variances. So in order to find standard deviation, I have to work with variance first and then take the square root of it. So, and for the sum, I have to add their variances together and then take the square root. And of course, in terms of using the calculator, back to the same issue, is this top left one is a two sample Z interval. That goes to that. And this one is a two sample T interval. And I bet you didn't need me to help you figure that out. Okay, so I'm going to have you do problem 2 and problem 3 in the notes for the rest of the homework.